Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'll be explaining to you guys how you can whiten teeth in Davinci Resolve, so let's get right into it. As you can see, I already have a video inserted. This is a previous tutorial that I have done, and sadly it does not involve any teeth. However, I'll show you the principle behind whitening those teeth, and you can use the same principle in any video that you want. You can use this to whiten anything that you would possibly want, so it applies to teeth as well. Firstly, what you want to do is go to your colors tab in the bottom of Davinci Resolve, which is the third from the right. And now that you're here, what you want to do first is select the area that you want to whiten. In your case, it's going to be the teeth. So just go here into window and select any shape that you want. For teeth, usually a circle will do just fine. You just want to position it wherever you want and make sure that the shapes are corresponding to the teeth themselves. And once you set everything up, let me just make sure it is against the well, oval shape correctly. Now that it's over the oval shape and everything is selected correctly, what you want to do is go into the curves. And once you're in curves, you're going to want to edit two different things. Firstly, you want to go into hue versus saturation and then click on the teeth or on the different area of teeth that you want to edit. And once you're here, you just want to take the middle one and drop the saturation all the way down. As you can see, the saturation has gone all the way down and now it is gray. Pretty much, if I play around with these, it'll be more or less gray depending on the actual settings, and you can play around with them and see what fits best. But once that is grayed out, you want to then go into hue versus luminosity, which is right next to it, and then just select the teeth again. And now you can go a bit higher and draw this up, and as you can see, the background is starting to become white, and this is the exact same principle which you're going to be using to whiten your teeth. Now, as I've said, you can play around with this and modify it to your heart's content and select whichever saturation and hue you want, but that is pretty much it. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.